This is our new 2020 Mac Mini with M1. Hello everyone. So today is a very special unboxing video. I'm unboxing the amazing Mac Mini. This is the special box that I've received from Apple. The only single piece that they had available, they have sent it to me from Delhi, and I'm really happy about it. Now this is a case for for the Apple Mac Mini, and now this is our LCD, the AOS IPS LCD that I'll be using with it. So let's start one by one. So we're gonna start with our LCD first. The AOC, it's nice. It's pretty sleek, huh? I really like the quality. It's good. It feels durable. Okay, so let's connect this with its stand, huh? Okay, here we are. 22-inch, 21.5 I think. AOC LCD. Great. The Apple Mac Mini. Okay. Here we are. Boom. The Apple Mac Mini. It's silver color. Yes, you can see this. Here we are. The Apple Mac Mini. Very, very sleek, very, very nice. With this you get some paperwork and a cord. Very basic, very nice. Again, we'll power this later. I'll keep this inside. Let's get to the cover. This I received from Amazon. It's pretty simple. It's just a case for the Apple Mac Mini. Yeah, it's Raxine because we don't use. Oh, it has a small stand also. Very nice. Okay. All right. Yeah, feels pretty durable, huh? Very nice. Okay, I think that's about it, guys. Let's power this thing and see how it goes. So this is our basic setup. We are all set with AOC LCD, 22 inches, Mac Mini, the Apple keyboard, Magic Mouse, and with this I've just added my Bose so that we have some good quality editing going on over here.